So what I can do is I can see x minus 2, this is 4 to the power of x. Now what I can do is I can say, let's consider x minus 2 is equal to t. So can I say x is equal to t plus 2 from here? I can write 4 to the power of t plus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power of t plus 2 is equal to 6 minus t square. Now one thing I want to tell you, because it is power minus x is there, you know that how many real valued solution will be existing there. But if you look at the value of this, it is always going to give you integral value if t is taken as an integer. But when you take t as an integer, it is an integer, but this one value will not be coming out to be integer. So what does that mean? I can write it as a t to the power of 4 to the power of t into 4 square plus 1 upon 4 square into 4 to the power of t is equal to 6 minus t square. Now, if I further solve it, I can say it is 16 into 4 to the power of t plus 1 upon 16 to 4 to the power of t is equal to 6 minus t square. Now, one thing that you can surely make out from here is whenever t belongs to an integer, this will remain an integer, but this will not be an integer. So what are the values for which I can say this is integer, my dear? What are those values for which you can say that it is coming out to be integral value here? So what I can do is I will say the possible value of this is minus 2, because then only it is coming out to be integral value. So what I say here is that it is coming out to be t is equal to minus 2. For example, t is equal to minus 2. So that gives you 4 to the power of 0, 1 upon 4 to the power of 0. 4 to the power of 0 is 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, if you are putting x is equal to 0, this will be 6 minus 0 minus 2 square is 4. That comes out to be 2. This is the only value which is going to satisfy it. So I am sure that from this you are able to understand that this value need to be cancelled out. So I know that t is coming out to be minus 2 is the value which is going to satisfy here, because 16 will get cancelled out, you will get 1. Here also it is minus 2 is 1 upon 16 will get cancelled out, you will get 2. So I'll say there's only one possible solution. Let me explain it further. Some of you may be feeling, what if it is an irrational number? Now, if it is an irrational number that you are going to take here, I'll say irrational number minus 2 may be coming out to be a integer value, but this will remain an irrational number, especially if you are putting any number to the power of root 2, root 3, they will never be coming out to be a rational number. So from this equation, I can make out it very easily that this is a parabola and this one is one which is exponential equation, as well as this is e to the power of x and e to the power of minus x. So I know that the parabola is going to intersect it only at one point, and that value needs to be tested to the integer value. So I'll say the only possible solution of this is x is equal to 0. Sometime it comes in your mind that why 0, sir? Why not 1? Why not 2? Why not 3? Why not 4? Let's try to put the 2 here. You yourself will see it is 16 plus 1 by 16. But when you are going to put here x is equal to, say, for example, you have put here 2. So I'll say 0 square. Now this is coming out to be an integer, but this is not an integer. How can it be possible that the integer is equal to non-integer? So I will say no, there cannot be any other solution. The only one possible solution is when x comes out to be 0.